Discover how to effortlessly pause your Apple Watch activity rings without losing your streak, whether it's for a day, a week, or even months. First, let's pause your rings directly from your Apple Watch. Open the activity app on your Apple Watch running watchOS 11. Tap the bar icon in the top left corner. Scroll down and select pause rings. Select your pause duration. Today, pauses until the end of the day. Until Monday, pauses until the end of the week. Until November, pauses until the end of the month. For custom, choose any duration from 1 to 90 days. Once ready, tap on Set. You can also pause your rings from your iPhone. Launch the fitness app on your iPhone with iOS 18. Tap the activity ring style in the summary tab. Scroll down and select pause rings. Choose the duration you want to pause: single day, week, month, or a custom duration. Set any length between 1 to 90 days. How to resume rings on Apple Watch. Open the activity app and tap the grayed out rings. Select resume rings to reactivate them. Else, to modify the pause duration, tap edit pause and adjust the length as needed. To resume rings on iPhone, open the fitness app and tap the activity ring style. Tap resume rings to re-enable your daily tracking. Else, to modify the pause duration, tap edit pause, adjust the duration and tap set to confirm your changes. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe our channel.